Hi guys, my name is Mansi and in this video I'm going to share my nighttime skincare routine. Currently I don't have a time to do 4 to 5 step skincare routine, so my sister introduced me one product that helps me in my all skincare issue. This is Ftune for all skin problem cream. It has sandal and turmeric extraction, glutathione, niacinamide, biotin, kojic acid, collagen, glycerin, vitamin A, B, C and E and alpha-arbutin and water. It helps to brightening your skin, remove dark spot, acne and under eye dark circles. There are so many ingredients in one cream which helps to fight with all skin issues. Every day I use this cream at the night time and I seen the result in just 14 days. And it's contain all natural products, so there is no harmful chemicals and side effects. It is suitable for all skin types and can be used by both men and women. Ftune whitening cream is a well-balanced combination of various herbal oil components that work to depigment the complexion. I already used one tub and bought another one. If you don't want to spend so much money on skincare, so do try this out and thank me later.